Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're transforming your backyard into a haven of health and wellness. We're going to explore 10 extraordinary medicinal plants. 10 botanicals just waiting to be cultivated in your garden. Imagine stepping out your back door, a gentle breeze carrying the scent of lavender and chamomile. You stroll through a vibrant tapestry of colors and textures, each plant holding the promise of natural healing. With our specially curated medicinal garden kit, it's easier than you might think to make this dream a reality. First on our list is lavender. Celebrated for its soothing aroma and therapeutic benefits, we're featuring an exceptional variety known for its abundant flowers and potent fragrance. Hand-selected seeds from the finest parent plants ensure you receive the best. Imagine snipping fresh lavender from your garden to create a calming infusion, or tucking a fragrant sachet under your pillow for restful sleep. Next we have chamomile, a cheerful plant with a long history of medicinal use. Chamomile is easy to grow, producing daisy-like flowers that can be enjoyed fresh or dried for tea. It's a wonderful digestive aid, can ease tension and anxiety, and promotes restful sleep. Having chamomile in your backyard is like having a little peace of mind, always within reach. Now, let's talk about peppermint, a vigorous grower that thrives in the garden and containers. Known for its refreshing flavor and invigorating aroma, peppermint is versatile with a wide range of medicinal uses. Whether it's a cup of peppermint tea to soothe an upset stomach or a peppermint oil rub to ease muscle tension, the possibilities are endless. Chapter 4. Echinacea. Boost your immune system naturally. Echinacea is renowned for its immune-boosting properties and adds a vibrant splash of color to any garden. To help you unlock the full potential of your medicinal garden, we're including a free copy of our Herbal Medicinal Guide from Seeds to Remedies. Chapter 5. Calendula. Soothe and heal with nature's touch. Calendula is a cheerful plant with bright flowers that bring sunshine to the garden. Our Herbal Medicinal Guide will show you how to harness calendula's properties to make soothing salves for burns and rashes, calming creams for eczema, and gentle cleansers for delicate skin. Chapter 6. Lemon balm. Uplifting aroma, relaxing benefits. Lemon balm, with its delightful lemony scent, is a joy to have in the garden. The leaves can be harvested to make refreshing teas, flavorful culinary creations, or soothing herbal infusions. Our Herbal Medicinal Guide is written with the beginner in mind, guiding you step by step through transforming these plants into remedies. Chapter 7. Sage. Culinary herb with hidden depths. Sage is often associated with its culinary uses, adding earthy flavor to dishes. But sage is also a powerful medicinal plant with a long history of traditional use. Everyone should have access to the healing power of nature, starting with a medicinal garden in your backyard. Chapter 8. Thyme. Tiny leaves, mighty benefits. Thyme, with its tiny aromatic leaves, is a workhorse in both the kitchen and the medicine cabinet. It's a natural antiseptic, making it excellent for treating minor cuts and scrapes. Chapter 9. Rosemary. Memory booster and culinary delight. Rosemary, with its needle-like leaves and invigorating aroma, is a favorite among gardeners and cooks. Rosemary is also renowned for its memory-boosting properties, and all the seeds we've discussed are included in our medicinal garden kit. Chapter 10. Yarrow. Nature's first aid for minor wounds. Yarrow is a beautiful and resilient plant known for its ability to stop bleeding and promote healing. Start your journey to a healthier lifestyle today. Order your medicinal garden kit and begin cultivating your backyard pharmacy. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of medicinal plants. I hope you feel inspired to create your own backyard haven of health and wellness. Remember, nature provides us with everything we need to thrive, and it all starts with a single seed. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on gardening, natural remedies, and healthy living. From my garden to yours, happy growing.